Good day everyone, welcome. So paying your home credit loan using BDO online banking is simple and can be done through the BDO mobile app or websites. So follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. So firstly, log in into your BDO mobile banking app, tap Pay Bills. Tap Pay Bills on the home screen, select Pay From and choose your BDO accounts. Under the Pay This Company or Biller type home credit or select it from the list. Enter your home credit contact number, input the amount you want to pay, review your payment details and confirm. And enter the OTP is going to be sent to your registered phone number and complete the payments. You will receive a confirmation message or email once your transaction is successful. And guys, processing time and reminders, also let me mention this. So payments are usually posted within 24 hours, but it may take up to 2 business days. Always double check your contact's number to avoid payments issues. If you experience any delays, contact BDO customer service or home credit support. And now you can easily pay your home credit loan anytime using BDO online banking. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, press like and subscribe. See you in the next one.